jita theuri wa bogo.
Na riu tukiamba guthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia nja wa thingo cia Kenya, miaki na ndogo itungire aikaria mucii munene wa Tehran bururi-ini wa Iran kiroko kia umuthi thutha wa bururi wa US na Israel gwika frigisheni cia ubiraro bururi-ini wa Iran. President Donald Trump augite bururi wa US hamwe na bururi wa Israel nio matharikire bururi wa Iran kiroko kia umuthi ta frigisheni ya mwanya ya kunina matharaita ma bara cia nuclear bururi-ini wa Iran. Ongereire Iran ikoretwo tumiro kia itoi. US ni irite ikaria bururi-ini wa Iran meke mihango ya kuma bururi-ini ucio tondu tharikira ici ni guthio na mbere nginyagia utongoria uria uri Iran ukorwo ukihera.
The United States military began major combat operations in Iran. Our objective is to defend the American people by eliminating imminent threats from the Iranian regime, a vicious group of very hard, terrible people. It has always been the policy of the United States, in particular my administration, that this terrorist regime can never have a nuclear weapon. I'll say it again, they can never have a nuclear weapon. And we sought repeatedly to make a deal. We tried. They wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. Again, they wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. They didn't know what was happening. They just wanted to practice evil. But Iran refused, just as it has for decades and decades. They've rejected every opportunity to renounce their nuclear ambitions.